here with the new Prodigy 1751 duck boat with Mud Buddy motor. Well, I'm not a sales guy, I am a satisfied customer and wanted to create this review for anybody else who's got mud in the blood and is looking for a new duck boat. I wanted to cover some of the features that I've been looking for in years in a duck boat and ultimately decided on the Prodigy. There are a lot of good manufacturers out there with custom fabrications, but the Prodigy, in my mind, had the better features and I ultimately went with them. First of all, let's go over some things. I was hard pressed to find any negative reviews about a Prodigy. One of the features I loved was the flat floor. A lot of the other manufacturers had horizontal ribs that protruded from the bottom. I didn't want anything that I was going to stumble over when I was standing up to take that shot. It's also got hydroturf on the bottom, which gives traction. It also quiets things down a little bit when you're standing up in the boat, and on the hot summer day, it doesn't get hot. So that's a plus. Another feature I loved was the storage compartment. I didn't want a full gun rack with the added weight that that brings, but I did love this shelving in here. More lightweight. It's great to put your gun scabbards, duck poles, things like that, keep them off the ground and dry. Another thing, cup holders. You don't have to worry about drinks getting spilled over and messing up the boat. That's a cool feature. Another feature I really loved is what they call the drop deck fishtail. It makes getting in and out of the boat incredibly easy for myself and the dog.
Another thing I love about the Prodigy is the paint job. The camouflage painting is awesome. And they put it on the motor as well so it matches, which is a nice touch, really. To be honest, the one thing I don't like about the boat is these lights. With the pointed bow, they shoot out diagonally, and I got a blind spot right in front of the boat. Hindsight's 20/20. If I were to do it again, I would get the light bar that goes across the top.
Let's talk about the motor. I opted for the Mud Buddy 40 horsepower. They told me at Mud Buddy they did not recommend putting a big block motor like this on anything smaller than a 17-foot boat. That's what this is, and it does pretty good. One thing about the motor is it comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. If you do any mods like increase the heads, get more horsepower, it's going to decrease it to a 1-year warranty. I would often ask and wonder what kind of speed I would get out of a setup like this. With the 40 horsepower and a 17-foot boat, I can hit 30 miles an hour running light with myself, decoys, dog. I was hitting pretty solid 28 on my way out today. So that's what to expect as far as speed. Really nice feature that I like about this motor is a momentary switch. You don't have to have it in gear. You just put it in neutral and push that button to engage the propeller. It's great when you're picking up decoy. One of the reasons I like this Mud Buddy motor is the HDR. R is for reverse. I love being able to back this boat up. Really nice. As you can see, the interior lighting is awesome. It really shines up nice when it's pitch black in the morning when you're setting up your decoys and trying to look for things in your bag. Awesome feature. I really like that the gas tank was up front under the bow. It helps distribute the weight a lot better than having it in the back of the boat with the motor. The extended deck also adds a little extra space for storage. If you have any motorized decoys or anything like that. One thing I really liked is the Catwalks. I went with the 8-inch Catwalks. It really works as a shelf to put your shells or your snacks or anything like that to make your hunt more enjoyable. Another selling point for me was the amount of storage. These half boxes in the rear of the boat with the light in there so you can see what's going on. Loved all the storage. Another thing I really like is this front hatch for storage under the bow. I use it to store all sorts of things, folding chairs, life jackets, spotlight, anything just to keep the boat clean and keep things out of the way. One of the things I love about this Tennessee trailer they use is this step in the back of the trailer that helps you get in and out of the boat. One thing to consider, Prodigy uses a 125 marine grade aluminum, although they do have thicker if you want. While it's not the lightest boat out there, it's definitely not the heaviest. I've been amazed at the depth or how shallow the water can be for this boat to float with the true flat bottom. Well, that about wraps up my review of the Prodigy boat. If you're looking for a new boat, give Prodigy a look. Review all the features and things that are important to you, and wherever your travels take you, get out there and have some fun.